Are you tired of fuzzy dashcam footage when you need it most? Today I'm comparing 3 powerful car tech upgrades that turn your vehicle into a smart, always-watching machine. From a 12-inch mirror dashcam that doubles as a monitor, to a 3-channel 4K dashcam with full-color night vision, to a Tesla-style Android 13 head unit for your Silverado, these gadgets will level up your ride. Stick around, because I'll show you what works best in real life, and help you pick the perfect one for your budget and your car. Don't forget to click below to jump straight to the product you want to see in action. Product 1, WOLFBOX G900 Pro Mirror Dashcam. This is a dual-channel mirror dashcam with a 12-inch display, featuring front 4K plus rear 2.5K, STARVIS 2 sensor, IMX678, voice control, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, loop recording, GPS and a 128 GB card included. Pros: excellent image clarity, especially up front, thanks to STARVIS 2. The mirror-style display is clever, you get a working mirror plus dashcam screen in one. Strong value, you get front plus rear, GPS, and big card included for the price. 1. Cons/limitations. Installation is more complex: extra cables, a separate GPS module, strap mounting, not a clean single dash install. In some vehicles, the mirror mount or design may block part of the camera view. Rear camera performance in very low light is weaker, grainy, typical limitation for this class. Customer voice. One user said, "I have a G900 Pro and think it's worth the money. The 12-inch display is great. Rear camera quality is so much better than a previous brand. It's ideal if you want a mirror plus dashcam combo and don't mind some DIY wiring." Product 2, REDTIGER F17 Elite 4K 3-channel dashcam. This is a triple camera setup with 4K front, 2.5K rear, and 1080p cabin, equipped with dual STARVIS 2 sensors, IMX678 and IMX675. It supports full-color night vision, voice control, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS, and includes a 128 GB card. Pros: full vehicle coverage, front, rear, interior, perfect for rideshare, security, or families. Great low-light and night detail thanks to STARVIS 2 and color restoration tech. Touchscreen interface and adjustable lens angles make setup more flexible. Cons/limitations. The unit can run hot during extended use, some report high surface temp after 30 minutes. The Wi-Fi app and connectivity can be finicky, you often have to re-enable Wi-Fi on the camera each time. Some rear cam performance in absolute darkness or with window tinting is modest. User feedback. One reviewer on a Mustang said, "Interior camera is lovely and performs very good in low light, rear camera is almost useless in total darkness with heavy tint." If you want full coverage, including interior, and are okay with managing heat and a bit of troubleshooting, this is a strong pick. Product 3, Qualcomm/Android 13 head unit for Chevrolet Silverado/GMC Sierra, 2019 to 2023. This replacement stereo/head unit runs Android 13, with wireless CarPlay plus Android Auto, a large 15.6-inch 2K IPS touch display, and built-in features to maintain factory functions, steering wheel controls, climate UI, etc. Pros: dramatically upgrades your infotainment experience, huge screen, full Android, app support, streaming, maps, etc. Retains OEM integration, steering wheel controls, climate control display, backup camera support. Car. Plug and play for many Silverado/Sierra models with minimal cutting or rewiring. Car. Cons/limitations. Such large aftermarket units sometimes have lag or minor bugs, performance depends on hardware. Installation can be time-intensive if dashboard trim removal or wiring harness adaptation is needed. Compatibility must be verified, year, OEM screen size, wiring, before ordering. Owner comment. One owner on our /Sierra said, "It's very quick to respond to touch, app changes, and even popping up the reverse camera. I have full access to all original vehicle functions. This is great if you want your Silverado to feel modern with apps, streaming, navigation, and more." So which one should you pick? If you want a sleek mirror plus dashcam blend, WOLFBOX G900 Pro is a smart choice. If you need total coverage, front, rear, cabin, go with REDTIGER F17 Elite. And if your project is a Silverado or Sierra and you want a head unit overhaul with full Android power, the Android 13 Qualcomm head unit will totally transform your dash. I'll drop all Amazon links in the description. If you buy through those, I earn a small commission at no extra cost to you, which supports this channel. Hit the timestamps to go direct to each review, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for future tech reviews. Drive safe, and I'll see you on the next one.